Guys, we have finally done it. We now have 100 subscribers. This is literally the best day of my life. I say that every day, but this is one of them. And to celebrate 100 subscribers, it's time you knew what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take apart my old iPhone. Here we go. Okay, let's go get it. Yeah, we're having construction. Yeah, my room is small now, but still, come on. Okay. Hello, Dookie. There it is. My old iPhone 5S. I did this to it, yeah, and it hit my bedroom wall, and this is what the damage was. I know, not good. But still, we're gonna take it apart. Here we go. So guys, welcome to my living room. Here's the phone. Let's do this. It's close. Okay. Oh, move in, move. Ooh, it's close. Move, you're ruining it. There we go. My old iPhone's been taken apart by me. Just look at this. This is amazing. I mean, because if I wanted to see, oh my god, I've ruined it. Still, jeez. Oh, sorry guys, it's just my dog. So, oh my god, I still can't believe I did this. One sec, guys. We'll be right back. I don't know if you guys heard my dog whining and stuff, but I still said anyway because I could hear it. Oh yeah, look, for myself, my own cupboard. It's quite big. Hello, oh look, you can see my shadow, but you can't really see me. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me taking apart my old iPhone 5S. It's actually brilliant, and sorry, my room's messy, and that's just the best thing I was hoping you guys could see me. Oh wait, you guys can. So that's why I did it, to celebrate 100 subs. I kept putting in the censored bleeps, so it would make you guys impatient. So yeah, I'm quite dumb. I do not know why, but still, shout outs: Ricky Jam, on Jacob Winster, Harvey Plays, YOLO Hobly 3, Super Clones Productions, new subscriber Chewbacca Wookie. He commented and I said, he commented asking for a shout out, and I said yes. BTAH Henderson, even though you irritate me. Right Gamer 27. And Brianna K. And the person who got special shout today is Harvey Plays. Congratulations. I'm gonna go see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. 100 subscribers.